Hi, today I'm learning about the LCM and how to find it. Let's get started. So we're going to be learning about the least common multiple and how do we find it and what is it. So the LCM, or least common multiple, is the least common multiple of two or more numbers. Not just two, it's more than two. At least two numbers, I guess. If you don't know what that means, I'm going to explain to you throughout the demonstration. So let's get to problem number 1. So question number 1 is find the LCM of 5 and 9. So let's start out by listing the multiples of 5. Since we're finding the least common multiple, we have to list out multiples of 5. We can't really find the greatest common multiple because multiples just go on forever and you can never stop them. So that's why we find the least common multiple. So let's get started. So the first multiple of 5 is 5, and then it's 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So I'm going to stop right there because you could list more than this if you want. I think this is enough. So then let's move on to listing the multiples of 9. So 9, 18, 27, 36, and 45. Wait a second. I see that there's a 45 in the 5 and in the 9. So let's see. 45 and 45. They seem to be common. And they are the least common multiples since I don't see any other common multiples in before 45 and 45 from 5 and 9. So that would be the least common multiple of 5 and 9 is 45. So 45 would be the answer to this problem. I hope you understood, and let's move on to the second problem. So the second problem is bit harder, I guess. It has three numbers we need to find a least common multiple. So we have 3, 6, and 9. So it's the same procedure. We first start out by listing the multiples. Let's start out with 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and 27. Okay, let me stop there. And let's go to listing multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Is that it? Okay, let's go on to 8 this time. 8, 16, 24, 40, and wait a second, I just noticed that we have a common multiple in 3 of the numbers. But as you can see, some numbers have, for example, we have over here in 3, we have a 6, and so is in 6. So, but we don't have any 6 in 8. So that would be considered the answer. It has to be common in all 3 numbers. In every single number has to be common and has to be the least one. So the answer of the 3, 6, and 9, the LCM of 3, 6, and 9 is 24. I hope you understood. This one was a little bit harder. And let's go. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos. Like if you liked it. Share this video to your friends and family who need help learning the skill. And watch more videos from my channel. Bye.